Welcome. Let's begin by preparing all the materials we need to create elegant handmade keychains. Keep everything organized for a smooth and enjoyable crafting process. Now choose a simple yet elegant design. A clear idea before starting helps you create a balanced and stylish keychain. Carefully cut the base material to your desired length. Precision here ensures a clean and professional final look. Now comes the creative part. Add beads or charms that match your style and give your keychain a unique personality.
Apply glue or resin carefully to secure each element. Take your time. This step ensures long-lasting quality.
Attach a tassel or an extra charm to enhance the elegance. Small details make a big difference in handmade crafts.
Gently polish your keychain and check every detail. This final inspection gives it a premium handmade finish.
Allow the keychain to dry completely. Patience at this stage brings a polished and refined result. Your elegant DIY keychain is now complete. Simple, stylish, and made with love, perfect for gifting or personal use.
Apply glue or resin carefully to secure each element. Take your time. This step ensures long-lasting quality.